Tama naman po, tulungan natin mahirap. But what about the backbone of our labor force? The people in the supermarkets, the baggers, the cashiers, the janitors, janitress, security guards. Will they also get financial assistance from the government? Kaya ito po yung pag-uusapan natin. We'll be asking the various agencies kung, kasi I keep on reading, we're so focused in several sectors, but what about this sector? Those who are earning minimum wage or below minimum wage, will they also benefit? I mean, will they be given assistance by the government? Or hahayaan lang natin na ganyan na lang? So when we talk of ayuda, ladies and gentlemen, we also have to look at everybody. Hindi lang po yung poorest of the poor sa pinakaibaba, transport sector, farmers, fishermen. What about po yung mga nasa middle class? Let us not forget these people. Yan po naging problema natin nung pandemic. Hindi po agad nasikaso sila. Kaya umalma po yung mga ito na, wait, nagtatrabaho kami. Wait, yung pinambibigay nyo na ayuda galing sa buwis po namin, taxes. After po ng transport sector, ano ang susunod na sektor na tutulungan po natin?
Sa ngayon, wala pa pong pinag-usapan ano yung next sector. But in terms of funding, meron po. It's been publicly announced na half of IX will be specifically set aside for this crisis.
Okay. Pero wala pa tayong specific target na after natapos sa bigyan natin ng ayuda, itong transport, meron na po ba susunod? O dito naman tayo, isusunod naman natin mga manggagawa, yung mga nasa nagtatrabaho sa fast food, sa grocery, etc. Kasi apektado rin po sila. Yusek de Maporo, yeah, you know that and I know that. Dahil hindi na mo palaki ang sweldo. Kahit yung malalaki po ang sweldo, umaaray. So, meron na po ba tayong target na yan? Or pag-uusapan pa lamang po natin?
Pag-uusapan pa lang po, Mr. Chairman, but you will be the first to get the list of the sectors that we will be helping.
Please do so. Kasi po, yung last na nabasa ko kanina, nasa 170 pesos na po yata yung diesel po natin. Marami pa sa sasakyan natin, diesel po. Okay, so pati yung pamasahe, expect na tataas.